Today, I'm going to show you how to use and edit the dashboard in Shift. So when you first log in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, which is this page right here. And you can see that it comes with a bunch of widgets that give you information about your vehicles, your assets, whatever you need to know. Now, the first thing we're going to look at is this plus in the top right. If we click this, we can edit the layout of the dashboard and we can add widgets. So let's look at adding widgets first. So we click add widget and we have a list of widgets that we can add to our dashboard. So for example, if we select incidents and then click save, we'll see that incidents gets added to our dashboard if we scroll down here. There it is. Next, let's look at editing the layout. Now, if you look at this right now, it's kind of all over the place. There's a lot of gaps and a lot of extra space, but we can fix that. So like you saw, we click on edit layout and it brings us to this editing screen. And then we can move these around to our liking. So move that there maybe. Maybe we can move maintenance over here. We can actually make a number of incidents smaller and move it over here. And then we can put maintenance status right here. And once we're done making our changes, we can just click save in the bottom right. And let's go through these just as an example of what you can have. So first of all, you have filters. I can filter by all garage groups, or I can select the Toronto or Vancouver group. I can click on Toronto, for example, and we can see that this got updated. We can also select the garage. We only have one garage in Toronto, so that's the only option. And we can also select the frequency. Here we can see how many available vehicles we have, we can see the new reservations, and we can see the new screening appointment. We can see here that we have 2 available vehicles and nothing else. And we can see our reminders. For example, we can see that we have 2 new maintenance appointments. Here on the right, we have our live map, which updates as cars move and things happen. We can scroll on Toronto here since we have Toronto selected, and we'll be able to see our vehicles on this map. Right now, they're not moving as we'd expect from available vehicles, but we can see them here. We can see their information if we click on them, and we can see our garage. Down here, we can see the types of maintenance we have on our vehicles. Here, we can see the number of incidents we've had. And here, we can see the status of maintenance on our vehicles. That's all we have here. But like I showed you, you can add as many widgets as you'd like and customize it to look however you like. And that's about it.